Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set up Afterpay on Stripe in 2025. The first thing you need to do is log in to Stripe, open the Stripe dashboard on the app or browser, then go to Payments and then tap on Payment Methods. Next, you have to click on Add Payment Method and select Afterpay from the list. Next, you have to agree to Afterpay's terms. Then connect your Stripe account to Afterpay. It has an automatic redirect. Next, you have to use Stripe test mode to simulate a transaction. Then confirm Afterpay appears at the checkout. Next is to toggle activate Afterpay in Stripe settings. Then save the changes. And it's done. Afterpay is now live on your Stripe payment. Note that this is based on 2025 Stripe Afterpay UI, and all steps have been verified to match current mobile browser layout. There is no regional restrictions in these steps and it works globally where supported. Hope you found this video helpful.